Hey, good evening. This is Jim ag6if. If you followed any of my videos, you know I'm a new ham. I just had my first year anniversary with my license, and I'm playing around with anything I can play with. PSK31 is probably one of my favorites, but I acquired some through the generosity of another ham. I acquired a TNC, so I thought, well, let's see what I can do with packet radio. So nothing's dialed in totally yet, but I've got a Cantronics, and I had to do a repair on it, and I'm still waiting on some parts, but I've got some temporary parts in there, and it's up and running. I got a used radio, 2600, and I put an antenna, a little mag mount outside basically on the ground, on a piece of metal, and looked around on Google and said, well, there's got to be maybe some packet stations. So looks like maybe there's one close by. Kilo Alpha 6 DAC, David Alpha Charlie -3, and then issued the connect command, and by golly, it connected. So don't know much about packet, but one command I was reading about, mheard, will show me all the stations that this station knows about. So I typed in mheard and hit enter, and by golly, my radio started to squawk a lot and transmit and receive and so on. So I got a little display on the screen here. Most of you hams probably know all about this, but to me this is really exciting. So if I just for fun, if I type this again, let's see if this works a second time. There's quite a few stations running packet right around my area here, Southern California. I don't know, there's 15 maybe out there. Let's try this again. mheard, hit enter. Radio's going to transmit and receive. There you go. You can hear the receives. So the packet, the data, the requests are going out, and response is coming back. You can hear there. The 2600 has a data port. I built a cable just out of these old-fashioned serial to network cable adapters. Hey, I used to use those a long time ago. I still remember a lot of the pinouts. Shows how old I am in IT. I'm an IT guy, by the way. So anyway, here we go. We're sending and receiving data, and then it'll probably display eventually. It takes a little bit, a couple minutes. We're gonna get a screen of data. So woohoo! Hey, this is fun. And again, I'm new at this. So packet radio. When I was in college in the '80s, packet radio was pretty big, and pretty much not so big anymore. But I'm gonna set a station up, and I'm sure there's an MCOM use for it, and if nothing else, I'm going to have fun with it because I'm a data guy anyway. So anyway, thanks for watching and sharing in my my excitement here for what is old is new again, at least for me. ag6if in Southern California, wishing you 7-3 and happy holidays as well. Thanks for watching.